Assalamu alaikum. I am Tasin Alif and I have done professional digital marketing course from Careers of Bangladesh. And I must say I have learned so many things from this course. This course was so much effective for me, I must say. I was from a totally different background and most of our batchmates was not from this IT industry or digital marketing world. And most of us learned a lot of things about this digital marketing world and digital marketing. Now we can introduce ourselves as a digital marketer in this industry. Our mentor, dear Engr.romansarkar, taught us most of the things very easily and effectively. He taught us things in such a way so that we can get things very easy and understandable. I am really thankful to him for his teaching style, and I love the style he taught. Thank you, dear Roman Bhaiya, for teaching us this topic in such a very effective way. I hope this course will help us in our future. We can introduce ourselves as freelancer in this freelancing world too by this knowledge of this course. So as a whole, I would like to thank Careers of Bangladesh for arranging such an important course for us, and special thanks to our mentor Romansarkar for designing the course in such an understandable way, which would be so much helpful for us in our future, and also we have learned a lot from this course. Thank you so much.